Hi, I'm Birkins, and you might have seen me on Keeping Up with the Kardashians, on stars like J-Lo, royalty like Princess Grace Kelly, and today I am making an appearance on Marianela's channel, where she'll be doing a review on yours truly. And if you're wondering, my leather type is View Madame and the graphite color, so shall we? Hey, how are you? And welcome back to today's video where I am going to be doing a review on the Hermes Birkins bag. This is the 30 centimeter bag and it is absolutely beautiful. I am going to be giving you very important information if you are planning to buy it. Everything from how to get the bag, the perks of the bag, and a little bit of history regarding the Birkins so that you can understand why it has this shape and why it's such a beautiful and valuable bag to have. So let's begin. I just want to give out a disclaimer. This is not my bag. This is a friend's bag who allowed me to do a review on the Birkins bag, which is so beautiful and so stylish. So thank you so much. So the idea for the Birkins began in 1984 because there was an actress named Jane Birkin who was on a flight from Paris to London, and she was complaining that she couldn't find a bag now that she was a mom because basically didn't have a lot of room and she had so many things to put into the bag. And next to her was the executive chairman of Hermes at the time, and he sketched a bag, and that's how the Birkins came about. But first I wanted to tell you how you can get the bag if you are planning to. So Birkins are very exclusive and most likely they are not available, but that doesn't mean that you can't get one. The best way would be to go to the store directly and speak to a salesperson and let them know that you're interested in the bag. Although it would be nice if you had bought some things with Hermes and you had an account with them, the truth is that you may not really need to have bought anything or have an account with them for you to be able to get one. What will most likely happen is that you will be put on a waiting list, and it may be months before they call you and they tell you what's available. There are customers, however, who have bought from Hermes before and they have a limit as to how many Birkins they can get every year. So why are Birkins so expensive? Birkins are expensive because they are a designer bag and they go up in value. These bags do go up in value and it's crazy. So that you have an idea, the amount that you pay offhand when you buy the bag at the store is affordable compared to what you would pay when you buy it off the market. The price difference is actually insane. The measurements of the bag are 30 centimeters, 22 centimeters, and then 16 centimeters. This part of the bag can be stretched, so that is something very nice. And then also these little scarves that you see here, these are accessories that you add at the store. And if you've seen them before, the reason why they use these is to protect the handles. So each scarf is $200, 200 and 200, but then if the actual handle breaks, I don't know, because of you wearing it a lot, then it's $400 per handle. So this is just a preventative measure. Not to mention that it looks so beautiful and so stylish. If you are a fashionista and you love fashion, then these are just incredible. And I really like the fact that the colors combined with the bag. This was such a beautiful and stylish choice for the bag. So this bag is actually very safe, and like I told you guys, it has a little compartment inside where you can store the baby's bottle, which is really cool. I think this is a perfect mom's bag. And then the inside, there's so much space inside. You can throw in your toiletry bag, you can throw your makeup bag, you can even throw perfume if you wanted to. It's just so spacious, and even the inside of the bag is leather. It is very, very easy to clean, and this is a very long-lasting bag, to be honest with you guys, something that you can pass on. If you wanted to close the bag, let's say you're traveling and you have something of value inside, what you can do is that it comes with a little lock and obviously the key, and you would just, with this compartment, you would just put it over the front and then you would close it with the two little strips that it brings, and then you would lock it. But honestly, I don't think you even need to do that. If you want, you can just wear the bag as is with the little lock showing, and it is honestly perfect. So with Birkins, there are different sizes and there are also leather types that you can choose from. I am going to be sharing the leather types with you guys so that you have an idea, and these are the most common. So you have Togo, Epsom, and Clemens. Hope I'm pronouncing it right. So the Togo is a slouchy, very grainy and pronounced type of leather. It is not flat whatsoever, and it's very smooth to the touch. Think of it as a pebbled look. So next you have the Epsom. Epsom is embossed and it's definitely a smaller grain. It's very stiff, but the positive thing about it, well, it has many positive things, but I think something that is very positive about this specific type of leather is that bright colors look absolutely beautiful on this type of leather. So if you're thinking of buying a color, I don't know, that it's blue, that it's pink, that it's yellow, that it's green, whatever color is available, then Epsom would be your best option. This type of leather is also very resistant to scratches and very easy to clean. And unlike the Togo, it's not gonna lose its shape. Clemens leather is more pronounced, but it looks a little bit like the Togo, but is flatter. Unlike the Togo, this type of leather is actually very light. And also because there are different sizes, you can choose a Birkins that goes well with your height and how you look. I hope that you found this video informative. I am going to be doing a review comparing the Birkins to the Chanel jumbo bag that I have, and I am going to be uploading that video next. So be sure to ring the bell so that you can be notified of when the upload happens. I truly do hope that you loved this review. I had so much fun creating it. I think that this is such a beautiful bag, and it's honestly in my bucket list. These bags are a great investment, and just the color choice when you combine it with the scarves, I think it is so tasteful and so beautiful. Birkins has been a brand that has been around for a very long time. So if you ever go to the store and you want to get one, follow my advice, because what's the worst thing that can happen if you ask? That they tell you no? Well, at least you know. I am going to be listing my Chanel bag reviews down below for you guys in case you are planning to buy one. Thank you so much for your time. I will see you soon. Take care. Bye.